Last night was lit. He took me to this newly opened place. He had the chef prepare the most special dinner for me.
You know what? These uncles, they know how to play games.
How old are you, dear?
20. This is a man who has excelled in his field of studies. He buys me books, and on top of that, he's the one paying for my school fees.
That's your parental duties.
Bad. That man is my asset, and I can never leave him for anything whatsoever. I can never.
The real asset is the head. You concentrate on school. These men will come and go. They'll just use you, destroy your life.
My queen.
He calls me his queen, and I need to be treated as such.